Huge thank you to all the new subscribers out there. I really appreciate that support. Thank you so much. Let's go check this out. So right behind me here is the Lowry Pueblo. Got these mountains there in the distance. Really well preserved here. And these are all, I believe, just individual rooms. That, you know, people stayed in. Bedrooms, probably kind of a main central area or plaza like at the other Pueblo. So depending on the people, they used these Kivas for different things. Sometimes for like community gatherings or seasonal worship type things. It's really cool. These things inside here are actually are people representing winter and summer. They're just kind of artwork designs almost. And with this aerial view, we can see a little bit better view of that. This is a very special place for the people, for gathering. And this Kiva was an early part of the actual Pueblo itself. Look at how tall the doors are, you guys. I'm about 5'6", and these doors only come up to, you know, here on me. It's really crazy. And you can see too the actual door steps. Isn't that wild? Alright, well, the Lowry Pueblo was very amazing, very large, so incredibly beautiful and well preserved, just awesome.